Welcome to Easy Math Tutorial. On today's topic, we'll be looking at algebra. What's algebra? Algebra is a part of math in which letters, otherwise known as variables, represent numbers. For example, we can say x is equal to 4. Here, in mathematical sentence, let's see how it is applied. 3x plus 4. You can see that I have shown you the parts in this mathematical sentence, where 3 close to x is the coefficient and x is the variable. 4 becomes the constant. You might be asking, what's a coefficient? Well, a coefficient is a number that is attached to a variable. A coefficient is a number that is attached to the variable, just as our 3 is attached to x. We have that 3 becomes the coefficient and x becomes the variable. Let's see a solving problem. Here we have 4y plus 3 is equal to 15. 4, remember, is our coefficient, while y here becomes our variable. Let's see if we can find the value of y. We will use the additive inverse of plus 3. The additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. The opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. So whatever we do at the right hand side is what we do at the left hand side. So this will give us 4y plus 3, the additive inverse, minus 3 equal to 15 minus 3. This will give us 4y is equal to 12. Now we divide by the coefficient of y. The coefficient of y, the variable, is 4. Remember that a coefficient is the number that is attached to a variable. So we divide by the coefficient of y, which is 4. Therefore, we can say that y is equal to 3. Now we have found the value of y. If we want to check if what we have solved is correct, replace y with 3 and see if you will get 15. Try it out and drop your comment in the comment section. Bye!